Hello everyone, how are you doing? My name is Ethan, and I am a teacher at AEON Ikebukuro School. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Today, I will tell you about the cooking I've been doing at my home. So recently, I thought I should cook more, so I made this Cajun egg and bacon scramble. It's very delicious. It has tomatoes, spinach, eggs, cheese, and bacon. And on top of it, I put chili powder and Cajun seasoning. It's very delicious. I recommend you try it. So everyone, please stay safe. Please wash your hands and please stay home. Okay? Thank you very much.